Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Jenny Anciano. I am 26 years old, single, no kids. My educational is 2 years graduate in computer and office management.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
My brother and 6 brothers and 3 sisters. And I am the youngest of my family.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come Hong Kong because I want to earn more money and to support my family financially.
Okay, do you have any housemaid experience?
Yes, sir.
For how many years?
3 years.
Only one employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are your job duties?
My work experience in the Philippines is to take care of children 2, 3, and 5 years old, the 2 girls and 1 boy, and to clean the house and washing clothes and cooking.
Okay, so you work with that employer for 3 years, so you finish contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you extend only 1 year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check. First, I will check the diaper if wet. If he, I will change it. And lastly, to check the temperature.
Do you know how to feed the baby's milk?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to sing a lullaby?
No, sir, but I know how to sing Johnny
Baby.
Johnny.
Okay, baby song, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you sing now?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Okay, even small dogs or small cats?
Only big dogs.
Okay. So do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
So do you eat everything?
Yes, sir. I eat everything.
Okay. So if the baby or children is naughty, what will you do?
Play with them and to sing 1, 2, 3 and to.
Do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to find their attention?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if ever in Hong Kong, you taking care of newborn and then you were bathing the newborn baby, what do you need to prepare?
I prepare lukewarm water and towel and soap, and I will take care of her nose, mouth, ears, and to spill the water.
Okay. So if ever you work in Hong Kong, you're a first timer, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you give me some scenario to avoid your homesick?
To avoid my homesick is to focus my work and to treat my employer as my family.
Okay. If the baby or children is sick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature and to tell my parent to go to hospital and for the checkup.
Okay. Do you have tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Are you willing to remove your braces when you want, if the employer is needed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever your employer wants you to do the car washing without extra pay, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
If there's an elder person in the house of your employer, are you willing to work with the elder person?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you do the share room with other kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever you work in Hong Kong and the employer want to cut your short, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me. I am honest and cheerful and helpful person, and I'm willing to learn and follow instruction.
And you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
Can you rate yourself your cooking? It's good or excellent?
Good.
What food can you cook?
Filipino food.
Are you willing to cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.